Well, so here we are again at the KD175. I was hoping to do a lot of this a lot sooner, but life gets away from you. The race is, this is mid-March, so late May. I only have a couple months. I need to tear this apart, put it back together. I bought another used crank for it, so hopefully I can replace that. I do have another cylinder, and I believe it is standard bore. The trick is, can't find any standard pistons. I can find rings, no pistons. So I'm going to tear this down, figure out why the transmission is not shifting, because I can't get it to come out of neutral. So I'm going to pull it back apart, get the new crank lined out. Got a new bearing for that, put that together, got a new bottom end, and see if we can get it back together. So this video is mostly going to be fast forwarded, and I'll probably stop here and there and keep going. So if I don't put it at the end, thanks for watching. Here we go. disregard the CL200 parts up there. I'm working on that. I went ahead, retigged the case because I found some more problems with it. Ended up putting more JB Weld in it. 3D printed this so I could pop out the bearing, because as you can see, I got a little warm when I was tigging. So putting it back together won't be very fun, but we'll see what we can do. At least I got it apart. I can figure out the transmission problem. I really hope I can get this together. I was planning for a smooth sailing from here on out, but like any project, here we are. Boy, am I in some trouble now. I bought this crank back in January, and it's April 16th now, and I was going to press it apart. I got it all marked out. Then I just happened to set it up against the KD crank I pulled out, and as you can see, there is a huge difference in the cranks. And this was supposed to be a KE crank, which does not match up at all, despite the fact that they should be the same. I went in the first part of the video with the part of the flyer so everybody can kind of see it. I am currently signed up for the historical it's the historical 200cc 75 to 78. So worst case scenario, again, I run the scrambler. Not that I want to do that, I just put a brand new clutch in it, but if I have to, I'll run that, because I don't think I'll be able to swap classes here after May 1st. So alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully I make it. Hopefully I see you there. Either way, I'll be there, but hopefully I see you there. Thanks for watching.